To fix the Crypto.com app when it's not working, there are several potential solutions to try. The first step is to check your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for the app to function properly. Try switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa to see if this resolves the issue. Next, ensure the app is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions can restrict features and cause the app to malfunction. To do this, go to the App Store, search for Crypto.com, and update the app if necessary. If the problem persists, navigate to the Settings, then General, and search for the Crypto.com app. From there, select the option to offload the app, and then choose to reinstall it. This often resolves the issue. As a last resort, you can try deleting the app entirely from your phone and then reinstalling it from the App Store. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Crypto.com app and get it working properly again.